Hey guys, it's Melanie, and I am standing here with Anthony. Anthony has been with us here at the health center for right at 3 months now, and he has seen some great results in that time frame. And so I've asked Anthony to kind of share with you how he found the health center, what made him decide to come in, what the results have been since being here, and yeah, I'm just going to let Anthony kind of tell you his story. So, Anthony?
Well, I found it through a radio advertisement. I was just going through one of my terrible episodes with a bad headache, and I was listening to the radio, and I heard about it on the radio, and I decided that there's no reason to keep going on this way with this pain in my head. So I just came in and started the program. That was how I found it. But the results have been, I've had chronic headaches. When I came in the first time to the clinic, I had a pounding headache. When they were interviewing me and going through the process, I was in so much pain I couldn't stand it. But I learned to live with it, so I'd smile and just walk out. But when they first started adjusting me, then I realized that the headaches were due to something in my back. Because the first adjustment, the pain was gone. It was there every day, chronically. It was that was the number one reason I came in, was because the head pain was so bad I couldn't function anymore. And as soon as it went away, one adjustment went away for a short period of time. As I kept up the adjustments, the headaches were completely gone. I haven't had any for a while now, a long time. At least it's been 4 weeks since I've had a headache at all. And so I just had something in my back, I guess, that was causing that. It was kind of hard to believe that something could be misaligned in your back and cause that much pain.
Yeah.
You know, I just didn't believe it. But I was skeptical at first. But it was that, because the pain is completely gone, and I can function again, work, and enjoy myself. That was the long and short of it. Anything else?
But no, that's perfect. I just wanted to make sure I'd given you an opportunity. You know, what caught my attention about Anthony's story is he said he was able to enjoy life again and enjoy doing things. If you are out there and you feel like your life has come to a halt or isn't what it could be or should be, maybe you need to give chiropractic a consideration. We would love to see what we can do to help you. We see folks with, you know, those neck pains, back pains all the time. So if that's you, then do give us a try. We would love to see what we can do to help. So we'll be back next time with another story. So come and see us next time. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.